Hello students. In this video, I am going to teach geography lesson resources and their types. You all know we are all living on the planet Earth, right? So why do you find life only on Earth? Yes, it is made up of land, that is all the land features together called lithosphere. Then layer of air, atmosphere. Then all the water bodies together called hydrosphere. So lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere together form biosphere. This biosphere provides all things required for human beings to live. So you find the things which are very useful to us are found only on the earth. So the things which are useful to us in many ways are called resources. You imagine that you are outside the classroom and tell me what the things which you all observe and which are useful to us in many ways. Yes, it is. Okay, tree, plants, yes, birds, animals, soil. Now come back to the classroom, then look around your classroom and tell me what are the resources you find here, which are that is the things which are useful to us. Yes, blackboard, chair, table, fine, bags. Yes. So you find so many things useful to us. Out of this, some are made from nature directly, that is natural resources. They are gifts of nature. And some are made by human beings using the natural resources. They convert the natural resources into final products. So what you are seeing inside the classroom are human-made resources, man-made resources. So these resources are very important for the development of an economy. The natural resources support the economy of a country. They promote job opportunities. They increase the income of the country. That is what economic development. Now we will see how these resources are classified. So how are the resources classified on the basis of development? The first factor is, for example, in your classroom. If I say the classroom, then students, then I say you can be divided into girls and boys. So the factor is gender. So like that, the factor on which the resources, the natural resources are classified or development and renewability. So basis on development, you find potential resources, developed resources. So what is potential resources? There are resources, but they are yet to be explored, yet to be used, yet to be found out. There are resources which are already, that is we have started using it, they are in use. So when you say potential resources, you find the resources in Antarctica, resources in Siberia, which are yet to be developed because they are inaccessible and unfavorable climate, or there may be lack of capital, because in each country you find some of the resources are potential because they are yet to be developed. And the other class, development. So the resources which are developed, for example, iron ore, you have already started using it. Gold, copper, they are already, we have started the mines, we have established the mines and we started using it. So based on development, you have potential resources and developed resources. The next one is the factor on which the resources are classified is availability. So what is that? the quantity of resources available on the earth. That is what meant by availability. Here you find some of the resources are renewable. You can use them continuously. The quantity will not be decreasing. Whereas some of the resources are available in limited quantity, and if you keep using it continuously, at one point of time, it will not be available. They will disappear. That is what meant by non-renewable resources. For example, so we have seen the vehicles driven by petrol, then the vehicles driven by diesel, then today you are seeing electric cars, and some countries you find solar powered engines, the vehicles. So why you find the changes are taking place? Because the quantity of petroleum available is becoming very less. So they made petrol engine, then diesel, then electric, then now solar, because solar energy is renewable. You would have seen solar panels on top of the houses. That means you get the solar energy every day. It doesn't decrease. When you generate electricity